I'm Kyle Jansen. I'm the head boy of Proteus Technical High School and I'm currently in grade 12. So what I wish from the partnership is maybe knowing the new cultures and seeing how the other school is compared to ours. Like how their teachers teach and how our teachers teach is very different, and that's something I noticed. So I would like to let the teachers learn a little bit something from each other to help push the educational system.
Hi, my name is Likono Volsak and I'm currently doing grade 11 in Proteus High. I would wish for us to foster a relationship between learners from both these different countries, which is us and Denmark. By fostering relationships, it would make it much more easier for us to even travel overseas.
So what I specifically wish is that we have been more in contact, because last time we learned so many different things and we're actually using some ideas that they gave us. So I want to be more communication between the two to help push those stuff, because now we do stuff that we learn from them, and I also noticed that they use stuff that they learn from us. So I think that will help the teachers and the students. They can communicate a little bit more.
So what I would like is for them to try and motivate our schooling system here in the Western Cape to move towards that kind of way of teaching.
We have a specific way of doing stuff, like example, like the stuff we're building right now. We have a specific way of doing it. So I would actually want to give that type of knowledge and out-of-the-box thinking, which could help them. And even the skills we have, yes, they have their own type of skills, but we were taught a specific way, which is very, very different from theirs. So I would like them to be more think out of the box, except of following a rule book. Because sometimes thinking outside of the box works better than the actual rule book itself.
We as SA have this mindset of ours. We were raised in this harsh living conditions, which mold us into the people we're becoming. So while they are raised in the communities or surroundings which were everything is digital, soft, we tend to turn any small thing into something new.
Okay, so the challenges of the online platform is it's online. We're not face to face, meaning we're gonna need the technology. We need computers, laptops, everything like that. So that's one of the main challenges, being the technology. We're not as advanced yet, but there's something I would love to happen soon. So seeing someone from another country with a different perspective is enough knowledge, or enough inspiration. Like seeing how they live, seeing their living conditions, it's something that inspires me as well. Like I also want that. So I want to go experience outside of Africa. Like I want to be in my own country, but I also want to experience those other things, those other cultures, and even experience those other ways of living.
If we tend to use this online partnership in fostering a relationship between two different nations or two different countries, that will help us one day have overseas friends. We went to Denmark, it wasn't for a month, or it was less than a week. But the experiences we felt there were nothing compared to what we were used to here.
So the challenges are, first of all, technology. We're gonna need computers, we're gonna need iPads to do that, which isn't possible as often as you would think. Wi-Fi as well. Wi-Fi is a major problem. We need Wi-Fi to connect, to be able to have those online talks, which is also one of our main challenges. But another challenge that also comes with that is our languages. We don't speak the same language. We need to focus on building sustainable cities, because it is something that is needed at this time right now, especially looking at the hurricane in Florida. We're gonna need to rebuild those cities that are destroyed by the hurricane. So why not do it with the sustainable stuff we have right now? For example, the brick we built. It isn't in use yet, but why couldn't we use it? It's cheaper, much more lighter, and easier to use. So we need to look at sustainable ways of building and more sustainable ways of building these cities, because money isn't always there.